Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving the first problem of the buy for the weekly contest 463, which is best time to buy and sell stock using strategy. So in Leetcode we have lot of questions of best time to buy and sell stocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and different variations of this. So this is one of those problems, and this one is like most of the problems were based on DP, which is best time to buy and sell stock, but this is not based on DP. This is something else. So let's see what it is based on. So the question is a bit lengthy. Let me quickly tell you what is given to us. Question gives us two arrays. Basically, this is basically prices array, and this one is a strategy array. Now, what is if we ignore this case? So what is given to us is basically what we need to do. We just need to multiply these values. Okay, and if we multiply these values, what answer we'll get? -3, 0, 0, and -7, then 2, and then 1. And if I just sum it up, I think this -3 will cancel out this, and I will get a -7 as my answer. So this is basically my total profit. Okay, total profit without using anything. And in question, what is given to me? I have been given this k. Okay, what I can do with this k? So question says that you can select any four numbers in sequence only. You can select any four numbers. In those four numbers, what you can do? The left side, let me select this four so we get a clarity better. So in this window, what we can do, we can make this strategy as 0, this as 0. I can make this as 1, this as 1. Okay, what we have done in the first half, we can make strategies as 0. In the second half, we can make strategies as 1s. So how this will help us? Basically, if we get these numbers as maximum, so this will increase our result. 4 and plus 7 I can get here. So that will definitely increase my answer. So this way I need to select this window, either this or this. I need to select this window little optimally so that my answer can be maximized as maximum as possible. So what like how we can solve this problem? If I talk about the brute force way, where like from where we should definitely start. So I think brute force way should be. So let me try to make this as a window. Let me try to make this as window. And what I will be doing, I will be starting from this till half, till first half. I will make 0. I will multiply this, and till the second half I will keep 1, and from for the rest of the window I will just calculate the multiplication, and I will just calculate my answer. So I think this can be my one of the way. And if we talk about here as well, so what is given to us? So they are doing the same thing itself. So let's, I think, okay, this example they are taking strategy 110. Okay, let's talk about this example. So 4 to 8. So what they have done, they have just modified 0 to 1. So basically 0 to first index they have modified. So they make 0 this, and they made this 0th index as 1, this as 0, and this as 1. Okay, so after that they got a result of 10, and later they tried to make this as 0, this as 1. So basically no change because the array is itself the same. So that's why so the brute force approach is definitely to pick windows, as many windows as you can pick. Just first half you can make 0. Okay, and the later half you can make 1. You can definitely consider those some, and rest part you can definitely take as it is. Okay, as it is you need to take. So this is my brute force solution. Can you try to optimize this, because our complexity is basically 10 to the power 5. Okay, from 2 to 10 to the power 5. Our k can be also 2 to the 10 to the power 5, which is price length, and prices value will be 10 to the power 5. So our constraints are will not work if we have an n square complexity. So what I can do to optimize this solution? I need to write something in order of n or order of n log n, right? So if I carefully see where I am doing duplicate work, so let's say if this is my window, okay, if this is my window, so what I am doing, what extra stuff I am doing? First extra stuff I am doing is basically I need to calculate sum till here. Okay, for the left sum, I need to calculate. I need to run a loop till this first. So if let me just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I'm doing, if I'm selecting, let's say, this window, so I need to calculate sum till 0. Okay, till 0 I need to calculate sum, and till like from 5 to end, from 5, let's say there are multiple elements 6 7 8 9, for example. So I need to calculate sum from 5 to 9, and here also multiple elements are there. I need to calculate this sum and this sum. And in this part, what I need to do, I need to make this as this 2 as 0, and this 2 I need to take as it is, right? So this is what every time I am doing. So left part, there is one left part, there is one middle part, there is one right part. In the left part, I am taking the sum. Right part, I am taking the sum. In the middle part, I am taking the sum of last half elements, right? So, uh, can you guess something around prefix sum? Because we are like basically in prefix sum, what we do, we try to store our answers, right? We try to store our answers and we reuse them as we want. So basically we would be requiring a prefix sum here. So how we'll be using prefix sum, let me calculate. So basically what we will be doing, so we have to calculate prefix sum for prices and for this result. For both of the things we will be requiring. Why? Because let me tell you an example. So let's say if I would be working on this area. Okay, if I'm working on this area, what I need to do, if I know strategy array of this, let me write down the prefix of this strategy array and this price, then we will easily able to guess. This is basically the prefix sum for this. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 7. So if you don't know prefix sum is, so let me write the prefix sum for this array, you will able to understand. So what I'm doing, I will write 3 here. Then what is the last element of prefix sum? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So that is. So what is the last element of prefix array? 4. 4 plus 4, 8. What is the last element? 8. 8 plus 7, 15. What is the last element? 15. 15 plus 2, 17, and 17 plus 1 is 18. So this is basically we call a prefix array. Okay. So basically what we did, we calculate prefix array for our prices and our results. This is our prices prefix array. This is results prefix array. Now what is the next thing that we need to do? So if I want to calculate this, what I required? I required the left sum, right? I required left sum. Can prefix array help me? Can this result prefix array can help me? Yes, I think it can help me. Okay, what I need to calculate here? I need to calculate whatever the price into strategy till this, right? I need to calculate. So if I calculate prefix array for this strategy, that will definitely work, right? So what I can do, I can directly go to that index. If I want for 0, na, I will ask the strategy array. Okay, strategy array, tell me what is the result at 0th index. It will tell me till 0, like from 0th index, from the start index to that index, what is the total strategy sum you are getting. Okay, so left answer I can get from here. For right answer, what I can do, right answer is also very easy. So if you know the prefix array, prefix sum thing, so what I can do, I can go to the last index. Okay, let's say this 5 is not the last, this is 6 7 8 9, 9 is the last. Okay, so what I can do, if I want to get the last like sum from 9, from 5 to 9, if I want the sum, what I can do, can I use this 9, this like whatever answer I am having at 9 minus answer at 4. So I will get the sum of like sum between 5 and 9, right? So if you don't know how this is, we can like have some other questions as well for prefix array. So basically what we did, so we were just calculating the sum, right? We were adding this, adding this, adding. Now if I want sum till here, okay, if I want only sum till here, what I can do? I think if I like for whatever sum I'm having here, let's say 18, if I do 18 minus 8 na, so I will get sum of this. Let's see. So 18 minus 8 is 10, right? So 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's what the sum present here. So that's how. I hope I'm able to explain you okay how we are calculating basically the left sum and the right sum. So whatever last element minus the end window. This is my window, right? So whatever the end window is, last element of this solution answer wala prefix. So let me label it. This is basically answer prefix. Okay. or result prefix, whatever you say, and this is my price prefix. Okay, so what we have done, we for calculating the left sum and right sum, I'm using the answer prefix. Answer prefix is telling me like the left sum is easy to calculate. I will just go to that index and it will tell me okay, from left to that index what is the prefix, what is the prefix answer. And from for calculating the right wala thing, I will be going to rightmost one, and the like I need to calculate till here, right? So I will be using this one as my answer, and I will subtracting this to this, I will get answer till here. This way I will be doing. And for the middle wala part, so let's say my window is too large. It's like if you can see in the constraints, my constraints are case constraints also 10 to power 5. Price line, the price line can go 10 to power 5. So my k window will not be a shorter, window can be a very large as well. So that's why I have created this price prefix. How price prefix will help me? So I know one thing, that if this is my window, okay, if this is my window, so I need to calculate sum till here, sum for these two numbers. So the same prefix formula I will be using. I'll be using this as my last index, and I will be subtracting this. So 17 minus 8, I will be getting something like, I think 7, 8, 9. 9 I will get, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So that's how I am calculating my answer. So I hope I am able to, this is the whole intuition behind solving this problem. The intuition comes from basically that in the brute force we saw that okay, if I try to calculate this as my answer, what I was looking at, I was basically, I was again and again calculating the sums. I was calculating the sum. I needed sum till, like I needed to make this zero. I need to calculate this sum. I need to calculate left sum. I need to calculate right sum. That's why the intuition. So let's talk about the approach of this question. So approach will be very easy. First thing we will be doing is calculate the price prefix and the result prefix or answer prefix, whatever you say. Okay. Second thing is we just start our window and start window of k size and try to find answer, and every time check for maximum. So this will be our approach. Okay, so if you are able to understand the intuition properly, now the code writing is really easy. So there is not any like heavy stuff. If you understand this thing properly, we can definitely write code. If you don't, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, we can resolve it. So let's try to write the pseudocode for this. So let me use the pink one. Okay, so price prefix equal to, I will start from 0. Okay, and result prefix I am starting from 0. So let me tell you one more thing. Okay, so here I have written price prefix like this, right? But in actual practice I will be using 0 and this 3. Okay, 0 comma 3 comma 4. Why? Because when I was requiring sum till here, when I will require sum till here na, I needed to subtract this number, right? So just not to write any other extra if else condition, I'm just writing 0 here. Okay, if I write 0 here na, so calculating prefix wala thing will be easy for me without any if else condition. And while I will be calculating this window wala thing na, then also it will help me. So I don't need to write an extra condition that if my start is equal to 0, then a special condition, and if start is not equal to 0, normal condition. So I don't need to write anything like that. I just will be starting from 0, so there will be no issue. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Now what we need to do, we need to iterate over the array for I equal to 0 to n minus 1. uh, Price prefix, how I will calculate, that's easy to calculate. So price prefix, I will append it, I will append whatever values, or I can do something like that also. Let's keep it simple. Price prefix dot append whatever the last value, price prefix की last value की like last, okay, plus price of I, right? What is the current value? So I will just keep appending. Okay. Similarly, result prefix, I will do same thing. Dot append whatever the result prefix का last वाला value, plus what I need to do, I need to multiply the price of I into strategy of I, right? Strategy of I. So that's how I will be calculating the prefix array and thus prefix, price prefix and answer prefix. Superb. Now I need to just write a sliding window logic. So I can have a start pointer at 0 and end pointer at what will be my end pointer? Let's see in the example itself. So I think my first window will look like this, right? My k equal to 4 here. Start will be at 0, end will be at k minus 1, 3. So let me write it down. So my answer would be, I think it will be k minus 1. Superb. And till how long I need to go? I think till the end is less than n minus 1. Till n minus 1 I can go definitely. Superb. Now what is the next thing I need to do? Calculate the left answer. Okay, I will be calculating the left answer. I will be somehow calculating the middle answer. Somehow I will be calculating the right answer. Okay, and in last I will just keep track of the maxi, and I think the maxi can be the last of result prefix. Why? Result prefix ka last. So why so? Because in such cases, so in cases like this 543, my original array without any modification, I am the answer that I'm getting now, that is the best possible answer. So the best possible answer will be stored in the last of this answer prefix, right? Because I was just calculating, multiplying, putting, I was multiplying, adding this to this, and I adding answer, I will adding this to like whatever answer is, and I'm putting it, right? So that's why this last wala part will be my best possible answer without any operation. Superb. So how I will be calculating the left answer? I think left answer is super easy to calculate. So what I will be able to do? I think I need to go. I think result prefix ka start wala answer, start pointer, right? So how I will be calculating the middle answer? How I will be calculating the middle answer? So middle answer, I think what I need to do. Okay, where it is? Oh, yes. So middle answer, what I need to do? I need to basically calculate answer for only this part. Okay, and what is this part? I think from here, uh, this is my end window. Okay, this is my end window. I need to go till half. Okay, and how I will be calculating the half? So let's say if I write indices 4. Okay, so definitely I will be writing 5 because I have added an extra 0 in my prefix sum. So end plus 1, something I need to do end plus 1. Okay, this is my end pointer. Now I need to go, I think half of the k, right? So I can directly write, I think k divide by 2. So I think n plus 1 divide by k by 2. So 4 minus 2, I will get this, and I will be easily able to calculate answer between this window. Yes. So middle answer, what I need to do? Orange. Result prefix of and plus 1. Why and plus 1? Because we are using an extra 0 in the last to overcome the if else condition. Minus result prefix of what? I think k plus 1, k divide by 2, right? So basically result prefix of this array, result prefix of this number minus result prefix of this number. So that way I will be getting the sum present here in this part. Okay, so in this case 9 is the answer. Superb. Now what is the next thing I need to do? Right answer I will be calculating. So result okay, it should be a price prefix, not result prefix. Okay, price prefix. Super. So right answer I will be calculating. So I think whatever the result prefix ka last wala answer, result prefix ka last minus what? I think end plus 1 or end. Let's see. So in this window, my end was 5, and I need to divide this end. So I think directly I can take end. No end plus 1, no end minus 1. Super. So result prefix ka end. Okay, so I think if I write this, and in the last I need to just keep checking for my maxi. So maxi equal to max of maxi comma left answer plus middle answer plus right answer. And I will be done in the last. I can definitely return a maxi. Super. So I hope you got it. And this part will may take you little time, but if once you understand the problem well, na, you can definitely implement this sliding window and the prefix suffix logic. So let's try to code this up quickly. So the C++, Java and JavaScript code is in the description. If you write in those languages, please make sure you watch that along this. Please try to code it up yourself first. So prefix price will be something starting from 0, and result price will also be starting from 0, and I will be just iterating over the array to calculate the prefix price and result price. So prefix price will be, I will be appending, so whatever element is present in the last of this plus what is the prices of I, and result price would be calculated in the same manner. Result price dot append, so whatever result price in the last of it plus how I will calculate the result price. I think prices of I into strategy of I. Okay, super. So I will be done here. Now my start pointer, I think let's see about pseudocode. Okay. Now I start equal to 0 and equal to k minus 1. Super. While end is less than n, what I need to do? Left answer, I will be calculating something. Mid answer, I will be calculating something. And the right answer. Super. In the last, I will just do maxi equal to max of maxi comma left answer, or make it, let's make it shorter, even left mid plus mid plus right. So in the last I can definitely return a maxi. Now I just need to write the sliding window logic. So what I need to do to calculate the left answer, what I need to do to the left answer, I can directly go to that index and I can find my answer, right? So what is a uh, I think result wala thing, result price of, do I need to worry about this basically prefix wala zero wala thing? Let's see. So what I'm doing, I'm starting from 0. I am starting, my start pointer looks like this, and I'm starting from 0. Do I don't need to handle any edge case for this left, right? That's why we have written this 0 here. So left wala I can directly get a 0. Okay, super. So result price of start. Super. So let's talk about the right wala first part. So it would be, I think, right result price of -1, basically the last wala thing, minus what I need to do. I need to go till, I think, end. Okay. So result price of whatever present in my end. And I think I need to go end till end plus 1. Why end plus 1? I think it should be corrected here. It should be n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because we have introduced this 0 in the last 0. Okay, so that's why. Okay, super. Now to calculate the mate, what I need to do? I need to first basically find out uh, like what is my last point. What is my last point? I think my last point is, we can see here as well, n plus 1. So my last point is n plus 1. Super. Now what is my the half elements in that window? So to calculate half elements in this window, I need to calculate something like this, n plus 1 minus, I think, k divided by 2, right? That's what I think it should be corrected here. Sorry for the mistake. It should be n plus 1 minus, by n plus 1, and this is tough because let's say our window is this. Okay, what is my n plus 1? My n plus 1 is 4. Superb. Now till how I need to go? I need to subtract, I need to go to, like, whatever the case half is 2, right? So I need to go 2 elements from this 4, right? From this 4 I need to go 2 elements. That's why. Okay, I hope you got it. Otherwise I we will definitely we will get only only, I think only one single element every time. But I need to, like, if my window is this, I need to go two elements from here, right? So I need three. If my window is this, I need to go two elements from here. That's why, okay. So that's why it should be n plus 1 minus k divided by 2. So I think let's cross check the conditions. Price, my last wala thing plus price I, last wala thing or ai, okay. Start and the condition looks correct. Left is basically result price of start, result price of end plus 1. Result price, it should be result price of end plus 1. K divided by 2, right is result price, result price. Okay, I think it should be price. It should be price prefix. My bad, my bad. It should be result prefix, not result price. Okay, result prefix. Okay, this should be result prefix. My bad. Result prefix. Super. Now this is prefix price. Prefix price. This is prefix price and prefix price. Super. So we made some silly mistakes while writing the code, but the intuition, the idea is, I think we got the correct answer. I mean, not the idea is correct only. Okay. So let's see for the correct answer. Mm-hmm. Okay, I have missed one thing. I need to increment the start and end pointer that I always forget in while loops. Let's see. Okay, we are getting a wrong answer. Let me cross check. Okay, so we discussed one thing, right? In this, so our maxi should start from this result prefix ka last element. Okay, so what is my result prefix? This result prefix ka last element. It should start from this. I think it should work fine now. Okay, yes, it is working. Let's try to submit this and see whether actually this is correct implementation. Okay, yes, it is working fine. So I hope guys I'm able to explain you this problem where this one is the first problem. I don't think this one is the first problem of the contest, but it is. So it implements basically two things. First thing is prefix logic of this two arrays of this and strategy का multiply करके this answer. And second thing is I think sliding window logic. So if you're able to understand the problem, please make sure you subscribe the channel because that will definitely motivate me to create more such insightful solutions. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and we'll meet in the second question of this weekly contest. Thank you guys.
Hold me close till I get up.